AiraBreeze is marketed as a portable cooling device that supposedly cools rooms quickly, lowers electricity costs, and delivers powerful cooling from a compact design. But the real question is it real cooling or just marketing? Now, to be fair, portable cooling devices are real products. Small fans and evaporator coolers can create airflow and help people feel more comfortable. What it does well: portable and lightweight. Small cooling devices are easy to move between bedrooms, desks, and workspaces. Uses less electricity than a traditional AC. Compact cooling products naturally consume less power. Where the hype falls apart, it is likely not a true air conditioner. This is the biggest issue. Many products in this category function more like evaporative coolers or fans rather than compressor-based AC systems. Cooling is usually localized. You may feel cooler near the device without significantly lowering room temperature. Room cooling claims can be unrealistic. Tiny devices generally cannot perform like full-size air conditioners. So, real cooling or just marketing? Short answer: some real cooling, but probably much less than the ad suggests. You may get airflow and a cooling sensation nearby, but expecting traditional air conditioning performance is likely unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.